you?
Hey, fellow Long Islanders, Sean. How are you?
I'm good, sir. What's happening?
Good. Hey, so I think that it's important that to find the origin of the virus. I think early on the reporter have dismissed the leak theory. And of course, in my opinion, I think that Trump was correct in saying that he was far too obvious in the beginning that Trump was correct in saying that it was a lab. But my issue is investigations. Both committee investigations, and a lot of them are inconclusive. Sometimes it almost seems like they're purposely inconclusive. But now with the President Biden saying that, it may have come from a lab, is trying to, in my opinion, trying to lend legitimacy to an investigation, which, again, I feel is going to be...
Listen, I'm watching what's going on in New York, and it is unbelievable to watch. And that the never-ending investigations into Donald Trump. I mean, and then Joe, quid pro quo Joe, and zero experience Hunter, no investigations. And I look at this, and then looking at the Trump organization, and figuring how they're trying to flip this, CEO or chief financial officer of Trump, and trying to find, well, did he say he was worth this much money on this piece of paper and that much money on another piece of paper? Now, I could just tell you in my life that I have people that I trust and entrust to manage things for me because I don't have the time. I don't know the tax laws. I just instruct them very, very clearly. Pay everything. If there's any doubt, pay it. Because I know that if I don't dot every I and cross every T, that they put me in jail. And I advise other people to do the same. You just don't. If you want to change the laws, you gotta go through the process of doing that. You just don't get to decide, oh, taxes are too high, I'm just not gonna pay them. Or like Joe Biden, immigration laws, we're just gonna ignore it. Or states that become sanctuary cities and states, they too aid and abet in law breaking. Well, that's fine if you're a liberal, you get away with anything. But if you're a conservative, they want to put you behind bars for the rest of your life. We've watched that play out, with Papadopoulos, Roger Stone, Paul Manafort, and so many others. Right?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, and that's investigations. I feel like they are,
there's no prosecutions.
That's time and money, and it just gives you a lack of government. I mean, if this is what we're spending our time doing, I realize that we could do other things at the same time, but still, what a waste of time and money. I feel like it could be better spent both time and money.
They have criminalized political differences. They've weaponized the law to attack people they don't like or disagree with. All this is an attempt to prevent Donald Trump from ever running for president again. They've tried everything else. Why wouldn't they try this? I mean, to me, there's a clear and present danger. I take this seriously. Being for the beans. What? They want to get Donald Trump under oath? They want to flip his chief financial officer? Or other members, that are out there attacking him? Usually what happens if there's a tax discrepancy, you usually pay the difference. That's what most normal people do. But not if you're somebody that represents such a political threat as Donald Trump does to the establishment. In his case, they want him behind bars. It's sad. I mean, we're losing the country if that happens. And I cannot tell you that I believe anymore that we have equal application of our laws and equal justice under the law, because I don't believe we do. And that's a sad thing for me to say, or that we have criminalized political differences, because we obviously have. Anyway, good call, appreciate it. 800-941-SEAN, Atlanta. News Talk, WSB, Sean Hannity Show. Glad you called.
Hey, thanks for taking my call, Sean. It's good to speak with you again. Look, everything you just laid out a couple of minutes ago is exactly why I called. I'm an independent, so I don't own allegiance to any party. But if the Republicans expect to get anything back, the House, the Senate, the presidency, they better wake up. They better follow exactly what you just laid out, because I'm tired. I'm tired of walking into a voting booth and trying to pick up a turd to clean it. It's not working. And we are going to lose our country if they don't wake up, grow a pair, get a backbone, and start fighting for this country.